So we're going to begin learning editing by working on a short 3-minute project. And the first thing you need to look for when you go to your computer is a folder called Historical Video Class Folder right here. And I'm going to open it real quick and show you that there's some video footage and there's a whole lot of clips here, and this is all going to be used. One of the things that's really important to remember when you are creating a new project is you want to keep everything in one folder, because if you accidentally delete something or move something, the Adobe Premiere software is going to be looking for it. They're not going to know where it is. So it's really important that you remember that. You create a folder. Next, you're going to go find Adobe Premiere. It looks like this, a PR. Where you'll go is you'll go to Finder, and you'll click on Applications, and you'll find Premiere, and then you'll double click. I have mine open already. I guess I could just double click. You double click on it. It'll take a few minutes to set itself up, but eventually you'll get this. Okay, you probably won't see any of this because these are things that I've been working on, but you're going to click on New Project. Okay, you're going to title it Sussman Practice, and then your name. That way we can keep them all straight if you go to different computers. And you're going to hit OK. So this is what it will look like, similar to this. If it doesn't, you can go to Window Workspaces and click on All Panels. For now, we're just going to leave all panels open so you get used to it, and you can play around with it differently once you get more established on it. Then you're going to input your files, okay? This is all part of the setup. So you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Import, and you are going to go to Desktop, to the folder. We're going to do all of this. So first let's do the footage. You click on this footage and this footage. I hold down the Command on a Mac. I think it's the Control key on a PC, and you import those. And then when those are imported, you are going to go back and import all of your photos. Okay, so you'll see this here, you're going to have to work around it. I can hit Shift and click all of those. And then one more time, go in and import, and below the private, just don't bother with that private. I'll explain that to you another time. You're going to hold down your Shift key, and you're going to get all of those. So now you have all of your files that you're going to use for this project. Most of them anyway, some you'll look around for, are in here. And the very first one you're going to work on is your Sussman raw footage. This is the interview with our Holocaust survivor that we're going to put back together again, okay? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a hold of her and drag her onto your timeline. It's that simple, okay? So once you have that, you have the establishment for your entire project. So now we're going to save the project, and you're going to save it into that folder. So we're going to go to File, Save As. It'll open. Here's mine, Sussman Practice Copy. Where do I want it? I want it to go into the Historical Video Class folder, and I'm going to save it. Okay? So that way, when I go to that folder and open it, I can go right to my project. And as I send out more of these videos, you will see how we're going to each step of the way add everything into it to create the final product.